Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to have a little fun in the shop, and that means we're going to do some lighting upgrades. Now the lights that we have in the shop are great, but these are even better. As you can tell, these are full LED, 22,500 lumens, so when you put one of these on, it's like staring at the sun. Well, the first thing that we need to do is unbox one of these, show you what you get, then we can install them in the shop. Let's get to it. All right guys, let's take a look at what you get in the box, and of course I'm going to use a plastic razor blade so I don't hurt myself. I was waiting for it to not cut. All right, so directly in the box, the first thing that you will see is the light itself. And also the bag of accessories that comes with it. We can take all of this off, and I can show you that you get the light. And then in the bag of accessories is how we're going to actually hang this. Now there are two features about this light that I truly like. One is that the eye-ring that goes into this fully screws into the back of the plate. So I will tell you, I looked around for some of these and they have plastic housings, and I was not a fan of that, just because over time they're going to get brittle. Here it's a full metal housing. It also has the full metal eye, and then it has the chain that you can hang this from the ceiling with. It also has a safety chain just in case something does happen. You won't have this fall onto a car or to just shatter itself on the floor. Comes with the standard 3-prong plug, which makes it super easy for installation, as you guys will see later. I will give you a little bit of info on these. It's 150 watt per light. They are 5000K, so you're going to get that ultra high intensity light color. And they are 22,500 lumens, which means it's going to be like staring into the sun. This is going to make such a big difference when we're actually installing these in the shop. You're going to be able to see things much easier. You're not going to have all of the dark shadows. This is going to help out so much. So I talked about a lot of the features of this particular light. The all metal housing, the metal eye ring, everything that kind of shows you that it's a quality product. One of the other things that I looked at was comparison in prices of these UFO units. Now they're called a UFO unit because it's a circular unit like a UFO. But these were ranging somewhere between $75 to $100. Now the manufacturer of these units has come out with this quality piece for under $50. I think that they're like $48.99. So they are truly a great value. And of course, I'm going to link you to everything that you need in the description below. So if you want to purchase any of these after seeing this, just click on that. It'll take you directly to Amazon and you can purchase these as well. I guess the next thing that we have to do, install these. All right guys, we're going to go ahead and unbox all of these lights. Now it'll take a little time to do that because remember, with each one of these that we unbox, we've got to go ahead and take the plastic off, undo all of the wire ties themselves, and then install all of the eye hooks onto each one of the units. Doesn't take too long, but a little work up front will definitely help out to make this installation go so much easier. The other thing that I want to talk about is the safety latch. These come in so handy. I almost dropped a few of them, and this allowed me to make sure that they never fall and that everything goes up and you have that extra redundant layer of safety, which you always want with any of the products you're going to use. Now, mind you, we are only doing a soft install of these. We will later go back and do a hard wire where it's actually wired up there with an outlet so that you can plug these in. But we wanted to see how good and how well these actually light up the area before we actually do that. And I think that you guys are going to be amazed. So the last thing that we have to do is just make sure that all of these are installed and finished up. And then we'll get to the reveal. Okay guys, we have them up and we have them kind of soft wired in. We're gonna hardwire them later, but as you can tell, it is really dark in here. And now for the main event, let's flip those lights on. All right guys, so I have to tell you, these things are amazing. They have so much light output from them. Now, we did not hardwire these yet, but we did install them. The safety loop is essential. There are a few times that when I was putting these up that it dropped. Do the safety loop first, make sure you connect that, and then you don't have to ever worry about dropping one of these. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this install. I can't tell you how impressed I am with these. Remember, there's a link in the description so that you can get yours. The price, the quality, everything on these makes this a great deal. So click on that link, order some for yourself, let me know what you think. All right guys, we're gonna head out because we're gonna finish up this install and actually hardwire these in. Hopefully you like, subscribe, share. We'll catch you next time.